Peace and greetings, everyone. Divine Zill here. I wanted to do a quick sneak peek video. This is very exclusive. The rules are simple. 50,000 views. I will make this available for public sale. Um, Price will be determined at that goal. 200,000 views. I promise you, this will be public to open source. Um, the time of this release will probably only be private distribution, but open source means this is legitimately free money, okay? And at 500,000 views, I'll give a tutorial, scratch to finish. You can make even a better one. You can teach me something. I don't know. But yeah, here we go. This is a automated cryptocurrency trading bot with uh, trading algorithms implemented into it. It can work with any, well, it can work with handfuls of exchanges. It can work with 12 to 13 in the United States, and I will be making international versions. But this trades automatically with well-tested trading algorithms. I have one high-frequency scalping algorithm that I will be previewing here that I designed, and there are about 20 others with technical analysis indicators linked within them. And yeah, it's very simple user interface, very complex under the hood. Right now, we will be using the lovely and graceful Binance exchange. And these will only be putting in test orders and test cells. However, the live prices um, and everything else is all legit. So let's try the Binance Bitcoin pair. Use Binance for the quote coin, Bitcoin for that, and you put these two there so it can check the balance for the individual coins. Start amount, I use 200 Binance coin. Start amount for uh, Bitcoin, I'll use 1.25, not too much. Stop amount for the first one, 190. And we'll stop by at, let's say, 115 Bitcoin. And these amounts just give the bot an idea of like how much you want to start with and what you're trading with. And the stop amounts will just cut the bot off if you drop below that. So just initialize it, let you know everything. I can run an analysis real quick and just run it for 3 cycles. And this just checks the current top bids and asks, and it gets a spread of that as well, so you get a good understanding of where things are at before you turn the bot on. Also, so maybe you can make sure you're not uh, turning the bot on in like a crazy pump, so it might mess with the algorithm a little bit, and so forth. I'm also going to add the indicators in here as well, but this is just a more simplistic, soft version. Can also check my balance, to check the balance for the certain coins you listed. And now, of course, we can go to trade. And once I click trade, it will just start automatically trading with the current algorithm I have. And in the final version, the trade will drop down into another list where you can select which algorithm you would like to use with the auto trader. But in this case, I have just the one that I'm going to be previewing wrapped up in here. So I click trade and make sure no open orders are there, and instantly just starts trading with the algorithm. And it gives a nice little receipt to show, what you've done. Yeah, it says that it's getting ready to sell 200 Binance coin at this price. And yeah, as you can see, it's just returning to the loop. Already placed 2 orders in about half a minute, and yeah, so forth. Just let it run a little bit more, just to get you guys a good idea what's going on. But yeah, that's the bot. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Like I said, um, rules are simple. 200,000 views will be open source. 50,000 views, I'll make a public sale. Even though I am gonna have it open for a private public sale, and depending on because I have been running it already, and I kind of really enjoy uh, the ridiculous profits being made. I think I'm just gonna do word of mouth. This won't be on an open cloud. Will only be distributed physically, and you could run it on open cloud. I could run it on Amazon Web Services or whatever. But I prefer just to keep things a little bit more secure and anonymous, and run it off whatever server I might be having on my computer. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Just a little quick preview. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Peace and love.